Welcome to the review of the T&G 166 Bluetooth speaker. This model from T&G looks exactly like the JBL GO from JBL. I got this speaker online and it was almost $4. Shipping wasn't included though. The TG166 has a metal grille and right in the center is the T&G logo. The body is made out of plastic and it looks like it can be easily cracked if you accidentally drop it. On the back you have your micro SD port for charging, the TF slot for your micro SD card, USB port, and the on and off switch. One thing you usually see but it's missing from the TG166 model is the auxiliary port. On the top you have your mode button, previous track, next track, and the play or pause. In order to control the volume, you have to hold down on either the plus or minus button. This speaker has a TWS feature, which stands for True Wireless Stereo. It's a technology which allows you to pair two audio devices via Bluetooth, meaning that you can transmit the left channel and the right channel separately. If you want to use the FM on the speaker, you will need to plug in the micro USB cable. This will be your antenna, and of course don't forget to switch the mode to FM. The maximum charging current for this speaker is around 200 milliamps. I started charging it when I got the low battery warning, which is just beeps. It took over 2 hours to fully charge the battery. The playtime is over 2 hours on 50% volume. So obviously if you want to go full volume, you get less playtime. Now let's do a little sound test. I know you won't get the full experience of it, but at least you get a sample of what it sounds like, so you need your earphones or headphones for this part.
Bluetooth mode.
So in conclusion, If you really want a speaker that it's small, affordable, and loud enough to listen to music in your small room, you should get this. Orange is not the only color. I only got this because I had too many speakers that were dark in color. If you enjoyed this video, please click or tap on the thumbs up icon, and also please consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.